Hello dear children. Now it's time for the last section of the lesson, means for the explanation. Question answers, working with text and language is still left, but explanation of the last section is going on. It means that this is going to be the last video for the explanation, right? So let's discuss the word. Already we had discussed this word deflected, change direction, because it hit something and in an uproar, means very upset. Okay, we had already done this particular section, and here are two more words. Missive means letter, especially long and official. A long and official letter was known as missive. So it's an ancient word, पुराने ज़माने का शब्द है ये. Visionary, a person who can think about the future in an original and intelligent way, means visionary, जो आगे की सोच रखने वाला person, right? So what did we understand in my previous lecture? We had seen that Einstein was solving the most difficult problems in physics, but still his private life was quite damaged. He had married Mileva, but then after some years of his marriage, 18, 19, 17, 16 years of his marriage, they got divorced, right? Okay, and in fact his mother was also against that marriage. So but still he married, the same year he married his cousin Elsa, right? We had seen this particular section, and what published as a general theory of relativity. Okay, his scientific discovery was published there in the year 1915, right? An eclipse of the sun in 1990 brought proof that it was accurate. So we had discussed discussed about the speed of time and light both. Light is what we think that light is particle. No, light is a wave. जैसे sound wave सीधी जाती है और सीधी कभी मुड़ती नहीं है, means it goes in the straight line. Similarly, what we think that this particular light भी move नहीं हो सकता, वो सीधे डायरेक्शन में ही आगे बढ़ता है. But this theory was totally proven wrong by Einstein. How? Because he had proven it through the sun's gravitational field can be deflected, है ना. वो उसके ऊपर उन्होंने साइंटिफिक रिवोल्यूशन वॉज ऑल्सो क्रिएटेड बाय हिम. ही हैड गिवन इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑन ग्रेविटी. So everything is based on gravity. Each and every movement in the universe is happening because of the gravity, and because of that gravity of the sun, it deflects the speed, the direction of the light. Light भी अपना दिशा change कर सकता है. In fact, we had discussed also about the speed of time also. Okay, so he had received plenty of awards. Okay, he got Nobel Prize in 1921. This was also discussed by me in my previous lecture. When the Nazis came to power in Germany in 1933, Einstein emigrated to the United States. Okay, this section was also covered कि वो उन्होंने USA में चले गए थे. He had left Germany in 1933. Because of what? Because of Nazis' rule. Nazis came to power. Okay, and he was against Nazi rules. Okay, who is the leader of Nazis? We have discussed already. He was leader of Nazis, Hitler. Like many of them had fled from fascism. Fascism was the governmental system जिसमें लोगों को torture किया जाता था, just as Einstein had, and now they were afraid of the Nazis could build and use an atomic bomb. Okay, so this is how the fear of atomic bomb had started impacting people's mind. Okay, what happens at the end? Let's see. So, at the urging of a colleague, Einstein wrote a letter to American President Franklin D. Roosevelt on 2nd of August 1933, in which he warned a single bomb of this type exploded in a port might very well destroy the whole port together with some of the surrounding territory. Okay, understand this particular line. So the moment Einstein got the news that the preparation of making the atomic bomb is going on, in fact by American scientists also, they also started working on the experiment of atomic bomb. So what has happened here? So here, because of request of a person, colleagues request, Einstein decided that he is going to write a letter to American president. And at that time Franklin D. Roosevelt was American president on 2nd of August 1939, in which he warned a single bomb of this type. इस तरह का एक बॉम्ब पूरे के पूरे पोर्ट में भी अगर रखा जाए तो इट कैन डिस्ट्रॉय द एंटायर पोर्ट टुगेदर, मीन्स पूरी की पूरी एक सिटी तबाह हो सकती है. इट कैन डैमेज द एंटायर सिटी. His words did not fail to have an effect. So he had proven this particular assumption very correct, because the Americans developed the atomic bomb in a secret project. Okay, अभी उनको तो लगा कि नाजी बॉम्ब बनाने वाले, बट एक्चुअली कौन बना रहे थे? The Americans secretly made a project of atomic bomb, and what had happened? They dropped it on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. And what was the base of that atomic bomb? E is equals to mc square के बेस पर ही एटॉमिक बॉम्ब का एक्सपेरिमेंट किया गया by the Americans, and because of that he was quite angry. Einstein was deeply shaken by the extent of the destruction. Now Einstein realized that as he had just given a revolutionary theory of E is equals to mc square, and Americans have misused it, that is the reason he was deeply shaken. Deeply shaken means he was strongly upset. बहुत बुरे तरीके से वो दुख में आ गए. He was unhappy knowing this. This time he wrote a public missive to the United Nations. And this time what did he do? He wrote a missive. Missive means official letter. Already हम ये word discuss कर चुके. In it he proposed the formation of a world government. Okay, in it he proposed the formation of a world government. So what did he proposed here? Propose मतलब किसी भी तरह का एक तरह का प्रस्ताव रखना, ऑफर रखना, to form a world government. See, स्टेट वाइज एंड नेशन वाइज गवर्नमेंट तो होता है, इंडियन गवर्नमेंट, महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट, एमपी गवर्नमेंट, पाकिस्तानी गवर्नमेंट, अमेरिकन गवर्नमेंट. सो देर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट्स, बट ही एक्सपेक्टेड दैट अ टाइप ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, किस तरह का, जिसमें पूरे के पूरे वर्ल्ड के लीडर्स हो एक साथ. Such type of world government should also be formed. Unlike the letter to Roosevelt, this one made no impact. Okay, Roosevelt को भी लेटर लिखा, कोई असर नहीं हुआ, और यूनाइटेड नेशंस को भी लिखा, still there was no impact of that letter. But over the next decade, Einstein got ever more involved in politics, and when he observed that people are misusing the liberty of technology, so he stopped all his scientific work, and he was involved in politics at the end of till the end of his life almost, agitating for an end to the arms built up and using his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy. So he started working for peace and democracy, okay, across the world. Which thing helped him to just publicize his peace and democracy policy? His popularity to campaign, as because he was a popular scientist, renowned personality in the world. That is the reason he was, उनका कुछ impact रहता था, and that is the reason he was quite successful in politics also. Okay, when Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76, he was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen. How he was celebrated? He was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen. Celebrated means respected. Celebration means party करना ही नहीं होता. He was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen. It means he was respected as a visionary and world citizen, as much as a scientific genius. Okay, as much as a scientific genius. So he was a nice human being also. Okay, so what else is left here? Thinking about the text is left, and thinking about language is left. Okay, so these are the different things, and writing section, dictation section, we'll see what to do, but what is more important, that thing we are going to cover. Okay, and we have completed the explanation of the genius Einstein, a truly beautiful mind. Okay, so we have completed page number 50 also, the explanation part of page number 50, and I hope you have understood. Please listen to my video again and again, and yes, in the remaining time what you are going to do, as my video is going to end within 10 minutes or so, 10 मिनट का वीडियो, बचे हुए 20 मिनट्स में आपको इस लेसन को फिर से पूरा 2 बार रीड करना है. ओके, रीड इट केयरफुली, अंडरस्टैंड द वर्ड्स, हार्ड वर्ड्स, एवरीथिंग. लेसन इज़ क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग. जिनको साइंटिस्ट बनना है उनके लिए बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लेसन है. Okay, so do it. It's your homework to read this lesson. Thank you so much. Take care.